Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Please wash your hands before eating. Please wash your hands before eating. Can you tie your shoes? Can you tie your shoes? Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. It's time to go to school. It's time to go to school. Do you have your backpack? Do you have your backpack? Don't forget your lunchbox. Don't forget your lunchbox. Please put on your jacket. Please put on your jacket. Have a great day at school. Have a great day at school. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Let's play outside for a while. Let's play outside for a while. Can you help me set the table? Can you help me set the table? It's time for dinner. It's time for dinner. Please eat your vegetables. Please eat your vegetables. Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? Let's read a story before bed. Let's read a story before bed. Don't forget to say thank you. Don't forget to say thank you. Time to take a bath. Time to take a bath. Put on your pajamas. Put on your pajamas. Do you want a bedtime snack? Do you want a bedtime snack? Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights. Sweet dreams, sleep tight. Sweet dreams, sleep tight. Let's clean up your toys. Let's clean up your toys. Be careful, it's hot. Be careful, it's hot. Do you need help with that? Do you need help with that? Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Remember to say please. Remember to say please. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Let's pick out a book to read. Let's pick out a book to read. Please put your toys away. Please put your toys away. Do you want to color with me? Do you want to color with me? It's time to take a nap. It's time to take a nap. Please put your clothes in the laundry basket. Please put your clothes in the laundry basket. Do you want to build a puzzle? Do you want to build a puzzle? Let's water the plants. Let's water the plants. Can you count to 10? Can you count to 10? Let's bake some cookies. Let's bake some cookies. Please put on your hat. Please put on your hat. Do you want to draw a picture? Do you want to draw a picture? Let's play a game together. Let's play a game together. Please zip up your jacket. Please zip up your jacket. Can you hand me the remote? Can you hand me the remote? It's time to feed the pets. It's time to feed the pets. Let's sing a song together. Let's sing a song together. Please put your book on the shelf. Please put your book on the shelf. Do you need to go to the bathroom? Do you need to go to the bathroom? Let's ride our bikes. Let's ride our bikes. Please turn off the TV. Please turn off the TV. It's time for your haircut. It's time for your haircut. Let's go grocery shopping. Let's go grocery shopping. Please share your toys with your friend. Please share your toys with your friend. Let's make a craft project. Let's make a craft project. Do you want to play with blocks? Do you want to play with blocks? It's time to clean up. It's time to clean up. Can you open the door for me? Can you open the door for me? Let's have a picnic. Let's have a picnic. Please pick up your shoes. Please pick up your shoes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.